So these right here are delicious golden brownies made with butter beans. That's right, butter beans of all things. And they're gluten-free, oil-free, and refined sugar-free. And they taste absolutely delicious. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to use to make these delicious chocolate chip golden brownies. Now, as a base, we're going to use butter beans. Wait, what? Butter beans to make brownies? Absolutely. And you're going to be surprised at how great of a texture you can create with something like butter beans. Now, to sweeten it, we're going to use date syrup. Typically, I'm using whole dates, but today, for this recipe, date syrup is better. We're going to use some cashew butter. Now, for those of you who are nut-free, or if you're making this for someone who is nut-free, you could sub out this cashew butter for seed butter like tahini and make these brownies, and it should still come out fine. We're going to use some baking powder and baking soda. Now, when I'm making baked goods for myself, I don't use baking powder or baking soda. I want to be as minimalistic as I can. So I just omit them. But if you don't use the baking powder and soda, it's going to create a denser, heavier outcome. And some people won't find that palatable. So, I add it for my recipes for people like yourself who may not be accustomed to eating, baked goods without the baking powder and baking soda. We're going to use some vanilla extract. We're going to use some some organic date sweetened chocolate chips. And we're going to use some organic certified gluten and glyphosate free oats. Now, a lot of people ask me about the brands for the date sweetened chocolate chips. They don't have the junk in them, no kind of preservatives or chemicals, just dates and chocolate. People ask me about the oats and where do I get organic, glyphosate-free, and certified gluten-free oats. And a lot of people want to know what is the cleanest baking powder that you can get. For all three of those answers, you can check out my app. Because in my app, I break down my favorite brands, the cleanest brands, all the ones that I prefer. And I talk about all three of these things as well as several other different kind of brands. You can check out my app at hveating.com. All right, so these are the ingredients we're going to use to put these delicious chocolate chip golden brownies together. Let's get started. Okay, so another thing I want to mention that I love about this recipe is the simplicity of it. There are not a lot of recipes where everything's just dumped into a processor and then processed and put into the pan, but that's what this recipe is. Super simple. So even on a last minute, you could whip these up. Now I'm using a food processor. You can also use a blender to make these. Either or will do. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take my oats and I'm going to get them in here and get them processed into a nice flour. All right, so now I've processed my oats here and I want you to take a look at it. Now, this doesn't have to be a really fine flour, just like this will do or close to it. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to add our other ingredients. Now, the chocolate chips and the baking soda and powder, we're going to keep to the side for now, and we'll add those in last. But right now, we're going to add our butter beans, we're going to add our date syrup, our vanilla, and our cashew butter, and then get them mixed really well. So why use something like butter beans to make these brownies? Well, beans are high in protein, resistant starch, fiber, and iron. Meanwhile, refined wheat has the antioxidants, the fiber, and the nutrients removed, making it high calorie and low nutrient. Okay, so now I'm going to add my baking powder and baking soda, then we'll fold in our chocolate chips. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're someone who wants to avoid baking powder because of aluminum, cornstarch, or some other reason, I share a recipe for a cleaner version in my Healthy Vegan app so that you can make your own baking powder at home. Okay, so now we've got everything mixed in. We've got all ingredients added. The batter looks really nice. Now it's just a matter of getting it in our pan and in the oven. And those of you who've been watching know that I'd like to line things with parchment paper rather than using oil. So that way it's easy to get out and remove once they're done. So olive oil is super high in calories and has no fiber, so it's typically stored as fat unless you're very active. However, if you're someone who has no issues with extra weight on your body, or you just prefer olive oil, you could use that instead of the parchment paper. All right, and believe it or not, it's as simple as that. That's why I call this a simple and easy recipe. It's just a matter of processing your ingredients, getting them into your pan. Now we're going to get them in the oven and get them cooked and cooled, and you can see how delicious these look. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. All right, so our brownies are out of the oven, and look at these. They look absolutely great. The only thing we have to do now is let them cool, and then we can get them cut and then have a taste. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my golden brownies and put them on a cooling rack. Of course, if you don't have a cooling rack, you could just let them finish cooling in the pan itself. And then once they're cool, I'm going to cut them, and then they are ready for a taste. All right, and so now our golden brownies are done. And as you can see, they look absolutely wonderful. Now I'm going to give them a taste for you, of course. These are delicious. They're soft, a little chewy, the perfect brownie. Make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.